Actually, it'll be different for me because I'm on the platform, so I'm just gonna hold pull.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill ads. AOE incoming. Watch your step. Watch wave. AOE incoming. Watch your step. Watch wave.
Bank.
Three.
Group 2, get ready.
Kill ads. AOE incoming. Watch your step. Watch wave.
Okay, we're gonna spread after the pole.
AOE incoming. Watch your step.
Traps have been placed as well.
Watch wave. AOE incoming. Watch your step.
Come on, guys.
One. Three. All on cross, please.
Kill ads. AOE incoming.
Bait.
Watch your step. Watch wave.
Don't forget to wait. Don't get too close to the edge. Just re-immune if you can.
AOE incoming.
Spread. Spread. Get ready to go through. Go
Watch
through.
your step.
There's a trap right at the portal. Be careful. Nuke it. have a res.
I'll take.
Stop DPS. Stop.
Stop. Move
Stop.
off us.
Stop.
Move.
Stop. Stop.
We will get a
Spark?
tank grip.
Stop. Just completely stop
8.
touching.
Watch wave.
Wait.
Watch your step.
Don't get pulled through a trap.
Boss should be phasing.
We're face. We face.
We should be fine.
So lost. Go. Spread.
Bait the traps as
Portals. Now dead traps. Go to the purple mark. Everybody.
Remember to bot if you haven't yet.
go through.
Go through.
Let the tank go in front and
Follow
use
it.
defense.
Okay, it's gone that way. Spread. Spread when you go through. Spread. Stay near the middle.
I spark low.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Wait. Wait. Go. Stay at purple. Bait, please, ranged.
He's lying.
AOE incoming.
Spread.
Straps in 5. Be away ranged.
Watch your step.
Spread.
Watch wave.
Just push. Ignore wings.
On the middle, so
Yeah.
go towards purple. Go towards purple.
It's fine, yeah.
No, just calling it out.
Yeah, yeah, that's
You're
all.
welcome, guys. I fucking pumped
Good
there
job.
for you.
Thanks, Sean. I'll give you a hug later.
Turns
No,
out
it was
literally
just
all
the
we need to
overlap
do-
that fucked us.
Yeah, all
I
we need to
hate
do
our
is-
job.
That's
I-
literally all it was. It was.
I think that
How much damage?
waiting the
Well,
DPS
like,
and then
To
lusting.
confirm, that was actually that kill